case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1987, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the First Circuit was faced with a contentious case, Reid v. Key Bank of Southern Maine, Inc. At issue was the broader principle of the UCC, the legal requirement that parties act in good faith, behave commercially reasonably, and deal fairly, irrespective of contract terms or adversary relationships. At the heart of the dispute were Paul and Mary J. Reid, individuals who had entered into a credit arrangement with Depositors Trust Co of Southern Maine, a bank that was succeeded by Key Bank. However, when their credit arrangement was abruptly terminated, the Reids took action. They sued Key Bank on the grounds of bad faith and racial prejudice. In the original court proceedings, the jury sided with the plaintiffs, the Reids, citing a breach in the loan agreement. Consequently, a reward of $100,000 in compensatory damages and a hefty $500,000 in exemplary damages was granted to the Reids. The court, however, later nullified the exemplary damages. Unsatisfied, both parties decided to appeal. The Reids protested against what they thought were erroneous instructions given by the district court, but this claim was rejected. Despite the defending party's call for a judgment, the court determined there was sufficient evidence backing the plaintiff's claim of bad faith. However, the case wasn't clear-cut. The court found in favor of the defendant on the issue of breach of fiduciary duties. As the judges explored the depths of Maine law, they expressed doubts surrounding the ruling of a confidential relationship in the lender-borrower context. Nevertheless, they ruled that any possible misjudgments were harmless, noting a precedent set in a similar issue previously resolved. The story ended with both parties bearing their own court costs, but it gave an important lesson on the enduring need for good faith and fair dealing in contractual agreements.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.